Imagine waking up in the morning to see your bank account growing, without lifting a finger. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. In this video, I'm sharing 10 powerful passive income ideas you can start today to make money while you sleep. Whether you're new to this or already exploring passive income streams, there's something here for you. Let's dive in. Passive income is the ultimate dream for anyone looking to achieve financial freedom. These income streams let you earn money consistently with minimal ongoing effort. In today's video, I'll break down 10 passive income ideas that are trending right now, explain how they work, and give you tips to get started. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more money-making ideas every week. 1. Create and sell an online course. If you're an expert in any subject, be it cooking, coding, or even yoga, creating an online course can be a game changer. Platforms like Teachable or Udemy allow you to upload courses, and you get paid every time someone enrolls. Sure, it takes effort up front, but once it's live, the income can flow for years. Tip: focus on topics with high demand and build a course that solves real problems. 2. Invest in dividend stocks. Next up, dividend stocks. These are stocks that pay out a portion of their earnings as cash to shareholders. All you need is an investment account to get started. Platforms like Robinhood or E-Trade make it easy. The key? Look for companies with a history of consistent payouts and strong financial health. Over time, those dividends can really add up. 3. Rent out property on Airbnb. Do you have extra space? Consider listing it on Airbnb. Whether it's a spare bedroom or an entire vacation property, short-term rentals can generate significant income. Even if you don't own property, you can sublet spaces with the owner's permission. Bonus tip: create a welcoming vibe and offer unique amenities to attract guests. 4. Start a YouTube channel. You don't need a massive following to start earning from YouTube. Focus on creating content in a niche you love. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can join the YouTube Partner Program and start earning from ads. Plus, you can diversify your income with sponsorships and affiliate marketing. It's a fantastic long-term strategy. 5. Write and sell an ebook. Got a story to tell or expertise to share? Write an ebook and sell it online. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing let you publish and distribute your book globally. It's a low-cost way to create a long-term income stream. Pro tip: spend time on a catchy title and cover design. They can make or break your sales. 6. Create a print-on-demand store. Print-on-demand is a simple way to sell custom-designed products like t-shirts, mugs, and posters without holding inventory. Services like Printful and Printify handle the printing and shipping, so all you need to do is upload your designs and market your store. It's creative, fun, and scalable. 7. Start a blog and use affiliate marketing. Blogging is far from dead. If you enjoy writing, start a blog in a niche like travel, tech, or personal finance. Use affiliate links to earn commissions whenever readers make purchases through your site. With SEO optimization, your blog can attract traffic and generate consistent income over time. 8. License your photos or music. If you're a photographer or musician, you can earn royalties by licensing your work. Websites like Shutterstock or iStock let you upload photos, while musicians can upload tracks to platforms like Spotify or Epidemic Sound. Every download or play earns you passive income. 9. Build a mobile app. You don't need to be a tech genius to create a mobile app. With no-code platforms like Glide or Bubble, anyone can build a simple app idea. Monetize through ads, subscriptions, or in-app purchases. A well-executed app can bring in a steady income. 10. Peer-to-peer lending. Finally, peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club or Prosper let you loan money to individuals or businesses in exchange for interest payments. It's riskier than some options, but the returns can be higher. Always diversify your investments to minimize risk. And there you have it, 10 passive income ideas to help you make money while you sleep. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more tips to grow your income and achieve financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.